What's up friends, Raju here. Do you want to start affiliate marketing journey with Google Ads? If yes, then complete this tutorial. It's one of the best affiliate marketing tutorial with Google Ads. I will show you step by step everything. So if you are really interested with affiliate marketing, then this tutorial is perfect for you. Now let me show some of my affiliate results, affiliate earnings. It's one of my high ticket programs earning. It's my ClickBank earning. It's another high ticket programs earning. It's my JViju earning. It's one of my new affiliate program. Here is my earning. Now, do you want to make this type of affiliate commissions? If yes, then don't miss any important part of this tutorial. I will show you everything step by step. If you want to start affiliate marketing with Google Ads, then you have to generate leads. You can promote direct affiliate link. Okay, you can promote direct affiliate link, but you will lose your customer, and for this reason you have to generate a lead fast. It's my recommendation. Okay guys, I will show you step by step everything. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, JViju, and many other affiliate programs, many other high ticket programs, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing, and I am working here over 9 years. Now the first thing, I recommend you to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing. If you check my YouTube channel, a lot of money making opportunities here, and I can assure you, you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation and check my video description. Okay guys, after completing this tutorial, if you think this video worth your time, then like it, and if you have any questions, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question, to reply your queries. Okay, now I will show you at the first. I will show you how to build a capture page that you can use to generate your emails, to generate your leads. And it's my capture page, leads page, and I set it on my Google ad, Google Ads. Okay, and I generate lead first, then I promote various affiliate offers by email marketing. Okay, I will show you step by step everything. Okay, now at the first, let me show how you can create your capture page for free, but I recommend you to use your own website and use a builder to build capture page like this. But you can create free capture page quickpages.co. You see here quickpages.co, create, publish and analyze landing pages without any technical knowledge. So if you are a newbie, if you don't have any website, if you don't have any page builder, then you can simply use this quick page and you can create your landing page like this for free. Okay, now your task, you have to set up your ads. Okay, after creating this landing page, you can set up your ads for generating leads, and after generating leads you can start email marketing and you can make affiliate commission. It's the best, the perfect, and all the successful marketers do it. Okay, you can run Google Ads to generate leads, you can make YouTube videos to generate leads, you can make website posts, blog posts to generate your leads, your emails. Okay, after that you can start email marketing and you can make affiliate sales by email marketing, and I will show you everything. Okay, by using quick pages you can create your landing page, you can create your middle page, you can create your capture page like this. Okay, now you have to start creating ads. I will show you how you can create ads. And if you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to like it. Okay. Okay. Create your Google Ads account first. Then you have to set up your ad campaigns. Now create campaigns. Then website traffic. Then search. Now you have to put your business URL. You have to put your business website, and here is your landing page website. Then continue. Now you can create your campaign name. It's doesn't matter. Testing on. Okay, you can set your campaign name as you wish. Then click, you see here the network, search network only, then deselect the display network. Okay, here is the location. Okay, at the first stage I recommend you to select all the locations, all the countries, all the territories. Okay, select the all countries and territories, and if you choose all countries and territories, then select your bid 15 cent to 20 cent only. Okay, and if you choose any specific location like USA, UK, Canada, Australia, then make your bid 30 to 40 cents. Okay, mind it, I repeat it once again. If you choose all the countries, then choose your bid 15 cent to 20 cents. And if you select only a specific country, suppose any of the tier 1 country like USA, UK, then choose your bid for 30 to 40 cents. Okay, now I will show you everything. Okay, all the countries, then your language, it's English. And when you choose your location, then click the location option and choose it people in or regular in your targeted locations. Okay, your language English. Now your budget 15 to 20. Okay, 20 per day, that's fine. If you select the 20 cent per day, sorry, per clicks, then you will get 5 to 10 clicks, 5 to 7 clicks per dollar. Okay, then if you can invest $20, then you will get over 100 leads, emails per day. That's huge. You can generate 3,000 emails per month. That's huge. And if you can do it, then I can assure you, you must get better result. If you send your email, your messages for 3,000 people, you must get sales, and you can make over 1,000, 2,000, $3,000 per month. Okay, in the order of email marketing, one email values $1. So if you have 3,000 mail per month, then you can make $3,000 per month, as the rules of online marketing, email marketing. It's not my words. Okay, now select the bidding, and in this case you have to choose a strategy, and it's manual CPC. Then you can get over 100 per day. You can get over 100 per day leads, emails. Okay, select manual CPC, mind it, manual CPC. Then save and continue. Now you have to put your ad group name. It's depend on you. You can. Okay, now place your bids. Okay, in the case of placing bids, I repeat it once again. If you choose all over the all, then select 15 cent to 20 cent. And if you choose tier 1 country, then select your bid 30 to 40 cents. Okay, now in this tutorial I select all the countries and territories, so I can put here 15 cents. Now you have to put your keywords, and I choose all the keywords, and in the video description I put this one of my Google Docs link, and I put all the keywords for you. Okay, you can get it in my video description. Okay, now place all the keywords here. That's it. Okay, fine. Now save and continue. It's the final stage of creating ads. It's so much easy and simple. If you face any problem, if you face any difficulties, comment in the comment box. I will solve from here. Okay, now here is your final URL, and it's your landing page URL. Then display URL. Okay, start online business. It depends on you. It's not a mandatory element. Okay, when when something is mandatory, I will indicate it, I will focus it. Okay, it's not a mandatory element. Now you have to make your title. It's depend on you, and I recommend you to use catchy title, then you will get more clicks. Okay, it's one of the title, start online marketing today. Okay, fine, and I want to select it as position on. When you see the position on, then you can get it. Now make position 3. Okay, by this way you can add more titles. Okay, and you have to select the position. It's depend on you. If you select this position, then ads will be show by your algorithm. Okay, selecting algorithm. Okay, here you see here the position on, you see the position on position here, it's the position 2, then you see here the position 2, and it's the position 3. Okay, now you have to write some description about your landing page. Look like this. Okay, discover how I started online business that makes per month on ClickBank, and per month. Okay, I can add it. Then start a profitable online business, but don't know how to. Build your online employer. Okay, start your profitable online business today. Build your online employer. Okay, you can make this type of description, and that's it in this page. Then save and continue. and published your ads. It's the all about for setting and running Google ads. And when you published your ad, then Google review your ad, and within 20 minutes you get approval and you can run your ads and you can generate leads and you can start affiliate marketing from this time. When you set your ads, then you can build your email, or you can build your leads like this. You see here, I personally recommend you to use GetResponse. It's the newbie friendly, user friendly autoresponder for any of the marketers. You can choose other autoresponder like MailChimp, like SendLane, like Kickstart. You can choose any of this, but I recommend you to choose GetResponse. Okay, in my video description you can get the link of GetResponse. Okay, now after creating your ads, when you generate leads, you have to start your email marketing journey. Now I will show you how you can start email marketing journey. Okay, when you set up your autoresponder, you can set up your autoresponder or you can send mail by hand to hand. That means you can create newsletter, direct message, direct mail. Okay, I will send it now. Okay, when you generate leads like this, now you can choose any of the affiliate network. Okay, you can choose Warrior Plus affiliate network. I recommend you to choose Warrior Plus affiliate network. Okay, if you choose all the countries email, then Warrior Plus affiliate network is the best, so I recommend you to choose Warrior Plus affiliate network. You can choose also ClickBank, uh, JVZoo, any of the high ticket program, anything as you like, but I recommend you to choose Warrior Plus products because Warrior Plus releases low ticket programs, low ticket products, and you can get more sales if you can promote Warrior Plus products with your leads. But if you choose the tier 1 country leads, if you collect tier 1 country leads, then obviously I recommend you to promote various high ticket programs. Okay, now after creating your newsletter, okay, if you are a totally newbie and if you don't have any marketing of experience, working experience, now I will show you how you can create account on Warrior Plus. Okay, visit the warriorplus.com. Okay, it's the homepage of Warrior Plus. It's the warriorplus.com. Thus sign up for free. Click the sign up for free. Choose your username, choose your password, your email address, and create account. It just takes 1 or 2 minutes to create Warrior Plus account. Then you can sign in your Warrior Plus account. Okay, after signing your Warrior Plus account, select the affiliate section and click the offers. Then you will get all the affiliate offers of Warrior Plus. You can get the affiliate link and you can start email marketing right now today. You see here all the affiliates offers here. It's loading. You see here all the affiliate offers here. Now send request and start promoting Warrior Plus products. And when you get approval, then you will get this type of sign, get links. Just click the get links and get your affiliate link. So guys, it's the process of Warrior Class account creation and get your affiliate link to start email marketing. Okay.